Welcome to M4SAC 2026 and welcome to the Beretta Defense Technologies booth. One of the novelties that we are presenting here and we proudly represent here is our integrated different solutions for counter small UAVs. Starting from squad weapons, as you can see, we are happy to display our Benelli and Beretta shotguns together with Norma AD-LER's ammunition. Then, of course, depending on the requirement, we are able to offer also urban drone defense thanks to RWS UDD ammunition. And something totally new which has been presented and launched here are our ammunition from Swiss P, which is Shutter 4K, something which is completely compatible with the actual 5.56 and 7.64 calibers rifles. A strong added value that we have to offer. An integrated offering. Instead of a simple solution, we have a multiple solution depending on the requirements. Thank you.